The pivot table is an interface where you have the freedom to define how your data is displayed and organized. To create a pivot table in IDEA, select Pivot Table from the Categorize group under the Analysis tab. In the Result Name dialog, provide a meaningful name. If the database contains a large number of records, a dialog box may appear indicating that the task may take an extended period of time to complete. This presents the Pivot Table Field List dialog box. It contains the list of available fields in the database, with their field types in the adjacent brackets. For this example, we will choose our relevant fields either by selecting and adding them from the dialog box, or by dragging them onto the pivot table canvas. Now let's say you make a mistake and add a column too many. You can either select the column in the dialog and click the Remove button, or grab the field from the canvas and pull it out. You can filter your results to include only relevant information in the pivot table. Here, we will select the first 5 sales reps. As you can see, IDEA automatically creates column and row totals. You can change the appearance of these totals by selecting the color dialog icon from the pivot table toolbar. To remove the total row or column, right-click the word Total and select Hide Footer. To change the summary statistic, right-click the top leftmost cell and select the type of pivot table summarization. You can also select how the data is being shown with this drop-down menu. This is not the result we want, so let's change it back. New to IDEA version 9.2 is the ability to export your pivot table result to an IDEA database. Please note, the result can only be exported if it contains 1 row field, 1 column field, and 1 data field. When you export, only the column totals will accompany the result. Now that we've created our pivot table and successfully exported it, we can automate this process by selecting the Create IDEA Script icon from the toolbar.